upside down. As you can see, they're nice and juicy, but a lot of juice in that. So like I said, the way I generally do these, somehow try and keep them as one piece. And I got a piece of melted cheese left. Nice for me. So, what I'm going to do here is somehow try and construct these into a wrap. And what I do, when I actually wrap these up, what I do is I wrap them up, construct them as one piece, and I put them back underneath the barbecue. And it's sort of
searching for greatness in a sea of the dying and shameless, a sea of the aimless. I don't wanna be one of the nameless. I'ma wake up with the mindset that one day I'm gonna make it. And I don't think I'll be fine if I don't break my limitations. Don't try to stop me, I exist to write my own story. I'll make a decision if I want some peace or if I want the glory. Yeah, don't want a life that is complacent or possibly boring. I just want a life that is worth every day exploring. My whole life I just wanted someone who would notice me. My whole life I just wanted to be somebody to be. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. This is a statement to appreciate all that is vacant. It's just for the taking. If you make up your mind, you can take it. I'm never complacent. I would work in a mansion or basement. Yeah, there's no replacement for persistence. It's a patience. Yeah, in this life, I wanna be soaring, to feel sun inside when it's pouring. And I'll fight till anxiety is foreign. I'm so sick of my mind's extortion. My whole life I just wanted someone who would notice me. My whole life I just wanted to be somebody to be. Yeah.
Camera's playing up again. Oh. Rightio, so the stand's playing up again. I've got to hold like a selfie stick. So tonight I've more or less lost a part of my tripod and I've broken my favourite spatula. But anyhow, yeah. So these are what I call D's fatties. So anyone who's cooking on a Ziggy or a Weber or probably any barbecue really, you can do the whole lot if you use like a 4-burner or 6-burner. You can cook like the bacon, the eggs, the onion, the pineapple. You can actually toast the rolls on there as well. But anyone who's got a Ziegler and Brown barbecue, this is the best way to do it, and it always performs awesome. As you'll see by the burgers I've made, these are going to be absolutely delicious. Anyhow, this is my longest video I've actually done on YouTube, so thank you for viewing. Please like, share and subscribe, and I'll be uploading another video sometime soon. Peace.